So this is, Tulsi doesn't know what it feels like, because she's always, like the flute, always with Krishna, because Krishna sleeps, but Tulsi's on his feet. So when he bathes, maybe she doesn't fall off his feet either. Can't say. Obviously, she comes off his feet because Krishna wants her to. She doesn't want to leave Krishna's feet, but Krishna tells her, says, listen, my devotees are bathing my feet. And so they want to drink the water of my feet after the bath. And they want it to be flavored with a tulsi and a chandan. So you please now serve my devotees. So Krishna so much wants to please and serve the devotees. So Tulsi, she slides off Krishna's toes into the bath water and flavors the Charanamrita. So then many things happen, because then the devotees get a chance to touch Krishna's feet again. Or maybe a different devotee. One day Tulsi Mandri put the Tulsi Charan on Krishna, and the next day Malika Mandri put a Tulsi on there, like this. The next day Malini. So different Sakhis and Mandris take turn and bathing. It all depends on the meditative mood of attachment and rag of the devotee who's practicing that type of smaran.